All right, I'm going to be doing the hands. I've got to get the upper part of the body started, but the hands are going to be very important because I need to do the arms as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get these started now. I've chosen to do the hand or hands out of monster clay. And I've already explained why in the past. It's because it holds the shape better. Last time I used my J-Mac clay and it didn't hold as well. I'm filling in underneath the fingers because, quite honestly, it's not going to show. These are going to be against the blanket. Now the hand is starting to take shape. Very delicate work. One finger at a time. Okay, now it's time to put the hands on the arms, and I'm going to cut the wire right there. All right, I got both hands on, and now I'm going to start putting clay on the arms, and I'll be right back. All right, I got both arms on. I just, roughly put on, and now I'll paint the hands to match the clay so that I can go back and take care of little areas that I need to take care of. Go for a start. Never mind. All right. I've painted these hands, and I can see problems I need to change, or I mean not change, but take care of with regular clay. And it's no big deal. It just, I figured there'd be stuff that would have to be touched up. Like this guy's hand here looks like it's got arthritis of the knuckles. So I'll be fixing that up tomorrow. And then continuing on doing the upper part of his body. All right, I'm going to go clean this brush off, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.